Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we'll talk about the problems. This is one of the most common problems for new YouTubers as well as the old YouTubers. The problem is the subscribers will decrease. The subscribers count will decrease in the single time period or in the course of time. This is very normal usually, because if you receive too much subscription in a short period of time, let me clear the things. And if you are new, then it is very much disappointing for you, as you actually need lots of subscribers, as well as new channels actually need some boosts, so the subscribers they must need. And I think this is very hard for new YouTubers nowadays, because the policy is changing. YouTube actually updating their policy day by day, and it is getting very harder for the new YouTubers. So I will recommend you follow some steps. I'll talk about that in later, but now I'll discuss why the subscribers are decreasing. The first point is actually, if you receive too much subscribers in a short period of time, then you will receive a decrease. You will receive some, you will actually receive some spam subscribers. The subscription the subscribers will give, those will be the spam. This will supposed not to be the spam, but YouTube will count this as spam, so they will remove the subscription later. So I will recommend you, if you just manage three things, three individual things, like with the amount of views and with the amount of watch time and then the subscription, then it will retain. You actually need to have lots of views in a single amount of time, when thus they will subscribe you. So on that time you will not receive any decrease, or you will not receive any spam subscribers. So this is one of the most popular methods to get more subscribers. You will actually have to have some lots of views in your channel, and as well as you actually need some legit watch time. So without legit watch time and without legit views, you can't be able to hold the subscribers. So I am highly recommending, so make your video more viral, and get more views and get more watch time, and then your subscribers will retain also. So this is one of the best tips you will find out for this problem. The subscriber decreasing or the spam the subscribers. So hope it will work for you. And if you want to know more about how to get more views, I will talk about it later. But before that, actually that's all from today. And if you actually love my channel or love my video, I think you should subscribe me. And yeah, see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.